Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, the one, the only Gala. One of my favorite metaverse projects, as many of you know. Currently sitting at 0.039, down 5.5 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 272 million. 24-hour volume 154 million. If you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. Make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So we talked about in our last Gala video, if we break 0.040, then I would look at the 5-wave move already being complete. And now we're pulling back in a wave 2. So we did break that level and we've come down to our wave 2 zone. Now we can drop lower here. I was talking about a potential bounce off the 0.5 or the golden ratio, which is classic, typical of a wave 2 pullback, but it can retrace all the way down to the 0.786. If it does break below the 0.786, more likely that it's going to invalidate and will come down and lose this low, but I don't think that's a likely scenario. We've broken out of this beautiful falling wedge pattern. We're currently retesting it as support, and if we can hold it as support, hold the 20 EMA, we can see continuation to the upside. Nice little bull flag pattern here on the daily time frame. We could potentially see a fake out, some sell off to the downside upon the release of the FOMC interest rate hike, which is coming in about 58 minutes here. We could see a potential sell-off, but it may be short-lived, and then we break out, and that bull flag will take you right up to the point of control. Major level of resistance at 0.053. So I may look to take a long trade after the news comes out and price settles down for Gala Games. I will release it in my Discord at $10 a month if I do end up taking that trade. So your levels of support to watch here are 0.039, 0.037. And a break below 0.034 wouldn't be too good here for the bulls, but I don't think it's likely. Even if we broke below that support, I think it would be temporary before seeing a push back to the upside. Now, if we pop over to the 4-hour chart, we do have a little bit more room to come down here on the RSI if we are going to trend towards oversold, but there was no divergence here. So usually when you have a divergence, it's more likely you'll come back down to oversold, but there's no divergence. So we can definitely start to bounce at any time here. There will be volatility when the news comes out. I mean, it's to be expected here. But due to the fact that we've broken out of this falling wedge, we're currently back testing it, retest, which is what the bulls want to see. And if we can hold the 20 EMA, that's when we can see that breakout to the upside. Bearish scenario, we fall back down into the pattern and, you know, we start to break down, but I don't think it's the likely scenario. But of course, anything is possible, and you just trade based off of probabilities. Basically it for this little Gala Games update. Resistance to watch 53627310, 10 cents is the technical target of the falling wedge. Don't know if we'll make it all the way back up there, but as of right now, we've broken out, we're retesting it. So if we can hold this level, we can see that continuation to the upside. And your support, your key support 0.034, if that is lost, then you have a little bit more chance of coming down and retesting these lows. But I don't think it's a likely scenario. We'll see how it plays out. That's it for this one. If you got some value, smash that like button. I never asked for that. Make sure to sign up to BitGet. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign up email. Access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And of course, at the 10 USD membership, which you can sign up through the Patreon. My exact entries, exits, and take profits currently in trades for Solana, Sandbox, Engine, and Mana. All signals are available at $10 a month, as well as early access to my analysis. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.